Hi guys! Today let's discuss about electroplating. Electroplating is the process of coating a metal on the surface of a conductor by electrolysis. For this, a solution containing the salt of the metal to be coated is taken and is called the electrolyte. Now let's look detail to copper electroplating. In copper electroplating, the metal to be coated is copper and therefore copper containing CuSO4 solution is taken as the electrolyte. The object to be coated by copper is connected to the negative terminal of the power supply and is called the cathode. In a similar way, a piece of metallic copper is connected to the positive terminal of the power supply and is called the anode. And it should be remembered that both the cathode and the anode must kept inside the electrolyte for the smooth process of electrolysis. Now let's discuss about the chemical process happening during electroplating. During the power supply, the CuSO4 in the electrolyte splits into Cu2 plus ions and SO4 2 minus ions. The positively charged Cu2 plus ions moves towards the negatively charged cathode while SO4 2 minus ions moves towards the anode. When the SO4 2 minus ions moves towards the anode, which is the copper metal, the copper atoms in it loses 2 electrons and becomes Cu2 plus ions. This Cu2 plus ions combines with the SO4 2 minus ions and forms CuSO4. Thus, the CuSO4 in the electrolyte is regenerated. Therefore, the concentration of the electrolyte doesn't change with time during electroplating. The 2 electrons released by the copper atoms at the anode moves through the circuit and reaches at the cathode. The Cu2 plus ions reached at the cathode from the electrolyte accepts these 2 electrons and get deposited on the surface of the cathode as copper atoms. Thus, the circuit is completed. As we have already said, the concentration of the electrolyte doesn't change with time during electroplating. But the mass of the copper metal at the anode decreases with time as it moves into the electrolyte as Cu2 plus ions. The extent of electroplating also depends on the strength of the power that we supply. Hope all you got a clear idea regarding electroplating. Thank you.